Well, with the old pool, we had to clean it every 2 days. This one here got filled up last Saturday. It's now Wednesday afternoon. So we don't have to clean near as much anymore. Thank goodness. I still got to get a gate put in on this side. But maybe we can go down to once a week on cleaning less water. That would make me happy. Definitely the kids happy. And not have to clean that thing as much. These guys are enjoying a Hungarian blocky pepper. Looks like they like it. And I've been trying to catch that guy there crowing. It's pretty funny. But I ain't been having any luck catching him crowing. Lola's checking on everybody and saying hi. These girls here, it's been getting cold here in Ohio at nighttime now. So egg production has dropped drastically. Slim to no eggs. If we're even lucky at the moment. We're even getting any. Like I've said in previous videos, I don't do heat lamps, heating pads, heat rocks, none of that heat crap. Not for it. My setup's good, possibly easily burned down. And plus, I am a long ways from the house to where I'm not hooking up a bunch of extension cords to hook that stuff up. That just is even more possibility of a fire. Nah, a chicken's core body temperature runs up to 107 degrees. That's why they have a hard time in the summertime heat. Why they molt. Nah, they don't need that extra stuff. So, I don't do it. They've survived the winters here before without that stuff. But it's a natural cycle for them to have a break in the wintertime. Any female viewers will understand if you like to have a cycle every 24 hours. What them chickens go through in the summertime is basically a cycle, laying an egg. They get a break during the winter time. I think it's only fair to let them have a break and let them cycles come to a halt or be slow. It looks like we got some rain coming in. I gotta go to my other job. Seeing a lot more subscribers subscribing. Seeing a couple shares, some views. Till the next video, don't forget, work with what you got. Later.